Hi, I'm Halif.
And I'm Michael, and this is our girl, Kana.
Well, unfortunately, we have to go back to the US, so we are back in Mexicali, about to be back in the old USA.
Unfortunately, we're gonna finally get some real good American Mexican food.
Goodbye, Taco Land. Hey, good morning guys, here from Southern California. As you probably noticed, we are back in the United States after almost 3 months in Baja California in Mexico. It was a great time, but we are ready to continue on with our journey here in the United States. Luckily for us, our time is aligning well with the Biennale Festival at the Bombay Beach in Salton Sea. And we are invited to attend the festival with a lot of our gift friends. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. For you who haven't heard of Biennale at Bombay Beach before, it is an absolutely must check out festival. And let me read the description that was taken from the website because it is interesting. Biennale is a renegade celebration at Bombay Beach of art, music, and philosophy that takes place at the edge of the civilization, the shores of Salton Sea. We've been to Salton Sea before, and it is definitely a very intriguing place. Just for the occasion, I decided to get this wonderful floral shirt. And now we are ready to go. Not as warm as I thought it would be, but anyway, we are officially here in the kickoff party for the Biennale, and they have a bar and they have free food, and it's supposed to be a taco, and there's something called a liquid death.
I thought I was getting in front of the line to get a good beer, and it turns out Liquid Death is not an IPA, it's just sparkling water. Here you have it.
From Salton Sea.
You have it. You have it.
Tacos, you want? There's black beans. We had like, did we meet last year? Yeah, I think so. Cool. Good to see you again. You get it today?
I'll come back for that.
Rice.
Those tamales too.
This one's the spicier one.
Plenty of food, mostly tacos and tamales. Hey, good morning guys from Bombay Beach. We are visiting in order to attend a festival that's called Biennale. And in 2023, the theme is Chaos Theory. So we're gonna have so much fun this weekend. You're gonna check out what they have here, including what they have here in Bombay Beach. This is one of the most toxic sites here in California. This is Salton Sea, California. And I can't believe this is basically a wasteland. Even stand here about maybe 10 foot away from the water edge, you can smell decay. It just smells unsanitary. It just stinks.
Okay, so just be careful. It's a bit unsteady kinda, huh?
Would I swim in it? No. Would I touch it? No. Would I let Kana drink the water? Absolutely not. I don't know, it just stinks.
Don't need anything.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Bagels, cinnamon rolls.
French toast with cream cheese in, a cinnamon crust on the top. Outside they're whipping up some bacon sausages.
How many people actually live on Bombay Beach before Biennale?
I believe it's around 300. Can I just change my mind?
Alright, thank you so much. They even have a local cafe here in Bombay Beach, and everything is $3, including some of the postcards for our Patreon. So if you're interested to become our patron, check out the link down below in the description, and we could send you a postcard for everywhere we go. But in the meantime, let's enjoy the latte here. It's good. And in the cafe's front yard, there is a Burning Man relic. This is the Burning Man plane, and I assume it was from the Burning Man, whatever year that is. I like it.
All right, let's go explore. Good morning.
Morning.
Bombay Beach is not a big place at all. In fact, this is one of the nicest cities that I've seen so far with the perfect grid system. The Avenue A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th streets. So it's really easy to navigate. Bombay Beach is definitely a functioning society. They have fire station and they also have mailboxes, cafe. What else do you need, right? So this is the actual Bombay Beach, and as you can see, this is all sandy beach, and this is where we camp for the weekend. I wonder whether people do get stuck here, but definitely there's a service to recover it.
But this is hard-packed sand, so at least at this part it's not going to be too bad.
They even have a metro station here. Just kidding, but this is an actual metro station art installation. It looks like we are back in Paris. Huh, super cool. They have vintage posters printed here, as well as a no trespassing keep out sign. In a lot of ways, Bombay Beach is always known as the abandoned town here in California, but it's not necessarily true because there are a number of residents who live here full time, and judging by the quality of the roads that we have here in Bombay Beach, the number is definitely growing, or projected to be growing.
So they just recently paved because this is still pretty new, but the whole town is just like this.
This is one of the nicest roads we have here in California. Sure, there are definitely still a lot of abandoned places around town, including this. This is probably one of my favorite.
They have a burn airstream right here too. Huh, not so much abandoned, I guess. Alright, we got a container here. Pretty cool looking photography. That's supposed to be ghost or something, because this is sort of creepy.
I'm not sure about this art installation, but glad to be checking it out without any incidents. And whatever it is, I like it. In a lot of ways, Biennale, as well as Bombay Beach, reminds me a lot of the Burning Man Festival, especially with the art installations and the quality of the creativity of the artists. And there are so many super cool things to check out here in town.
Keep recycling, people.
There's a lot of free curb objects around here, but I'm not sure this is part of the art installation or it is actually free for anybody who needs them. Who knows? It's an interesting tribute to Bonnie and Clyde. This was a couple who become notorious and people seem to like them if they put up a tribute for them. This is a very informative art display. This is called a Toxicon, and this art installation highlights the toxicity level of the Salton Sea. There are some samples from the water as well as dead fish skeleton bones. It is simply a reminder how toxic the water is next door.
Michael got a good setup for working.
He's happy you're back.
Yes. Good girl, Hannah. Leave no trace, Chris.
No trace.
No trace.
Capture it all, Holland.
Welcome to Club Chaos.
Let's do a sneak peek of the Club Kiosk. And Club Chaos is one of the art groups that is presenting in this year's Biennale.
We are Club Chaos?
We are. Yay!
So a friend of ours and his partner have built this club called Club Chaos. And what they did is they used ChatGPT to help design the visual effects in the club and the visual and some of the sound effects in the club. So they put all the specifications into ChatGPT, told them what kind of colors they wanted, and actually how to make the colors move across the wall depending on what light was shone on them. So ChatGPT gave them all the colors, told them what kind of stuff to buy, told them how to set up the lights and the timing to make all this movement on the walls. So you've got this really visual, fluid motion happening while the music is playing. So you got more than the music to get lost in and the lights themselves. You know, an artist could have done that, but I think it would have taken a long time. They did this thing in a day or just overnight. So it was actually pretty incredible.
I love it.
Calling's over the bowling alley, but normally that's our red carpet.
That's a lot of progress.
As you can imagine, it smells like spray paint here. Keeps people happy.
Diego, are you happy?
Hi, I'm Paint.
You're painting.
You gotta wear a mask in order to go in, but just for a quick sneak peek is fine. But now I'm feel congested.
A little bit too much for you too, Kana.
This is the iconic Bombay Beach drive-in site, and a lot of abandoned cars here, ready for the movie to start someday.
Super cool site. It's a lot of fun here. Little library.
This is probably the most elaborate little libraries that I've ever come across in my whole life. This is a very nice library. Look at this. There's just so many books here.
Bad dog. It's not you, is it?
It's always a beautiful sunset here in Salton Sea. The joy of Biennale starts when the sun goes down. This is when the city turns into life. We're just old people, so I don't know whether we're gonna stay up all night long, but we're gonna check out some of them.
Filling up pretty quickly.
So many different parties and hangouts all over town. There's some DJing, some reggae, and some bagpipes playing on the beach. Yeah, there's so much things going on. And I was caught into this procession. I have no idea what it's for, but we're just gonna follow along because it looks cool.
Do not fear the flame. The earth will turn. And remember the names of those whose time came. The mysterious beyond is revealing its secrets as long as the universe exists. We all still exist.
Still have no idea what's going on back there, but it is visually pleasant. It's really enjoyable to watch. So many things happening all over Bombay Beach. Just don't blink, otherwise you'll miss it all.
It was a pleasant experience for me to walk around Bombay Beach and visit the numerous parties and gatherings. But the highlight of our night was to hang out at Club Chaos, a funky and sophisticated little dance party built by some of our KIF members.
It's really trippy around here. But this is very interesting. I mean, the effect that you get, it just, you know,
She's not a happy girl.
And the city parties all the way into the morning.
Seven o'clock in the morning, the music is still going on strong here at the beach.
Started at 4 a.m. and then we He's been playing to the sunrise, and clearly he's still playing.
Wow. Keep it rocking through the day. Never gets old.
What can I do for you today?
She loves her belly rubs for sure.
This is every morning and every evening. Are we done, Kana? No, we're not done. But it's a good way to relax for both of us. You just want to spend some time in the massage chair. No filming, please.
We are back here at the Club Chaos, and we serve a pancake breakfast this morning to the community, and we actually add matcha into the pancake, so keep us caffeinated for the whole day.
Big two.
I wanted to make my own and make them bigger, but they're mochi, so I don't know how to do those, so they probably wouldn't turn out really good very well.
I'm just doing that so I can dance.
We look at the program and the Starbucks.
Mexican maple syrup.
Gave me some pretty
Everywhere.
Oh my god, I got maple syrup dripping down my hands. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. Definitely a huge success here in Club Chaos. There's a viewing deck on the school bus here. Let's check it out.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful. Our pleasure. Thank you.
You like it here, Michael?
I could come back here every year and probably do festivals like this just full time. One club down the beach that they dug this big amphitheater into the beach and put ceilings over it and around it that were all lit up, and they had this big EDM party last night. It was just amazing, and there's just so many people around doing the same things, probably in little smaller venues, and then wake up to just having these beats going and in a nice way that's not piercing. Just a great way to wake up.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you like to follow along our journey all around the United States and Canada, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, guys. But we are back in the United States of America. Whoa! Bridge open. Highlights the toxicity. I can't even say the word.
Is this a slow motion flip?
Ah.